10%. Only 10% of your success is based on performance. Think high. Performance, image, exposure. Don't spend your university life focusing on the wrong thing. Just don't fail. Use the rest working on your 90%, your image and exposure. This template handles that 10%. Just don't fail. 1. Don't spiral. Track. Your credits, courses, readings, dates, assessments, notes, resources, task list, timetable, all in one place. 2. Don't miss deadlines. See every test, quiz, exam, or project at a glance. Prioritize effortlessly and never miss a deadline. 3. Don't get lost. You can just check your personal learning map in the coursework tracker. It has status updates for each lesson, notebooks with coursework tracking. You got some extra readings? Organize citations, links, books, and references. Never lose a source again. 4. Don't underestimate yourself. Map out your career. Easily access your cover letter, resume, portfolio, transcripts. Track companies of interest, job listings, and their requirements. Know yourself. Lay it all out in the career planner. Your strengths, weaknesses, interests, values. Follow through your career development plan and track your career goals. And number 5, don't waste time. Follow the link in my description and test out the planner for yourself.